I'm Beth Baldwin and I am a charity campaigner and advocate for Diabetes UK Cymru in memory of my son Peter. It's actually 10 years this year since we lost Peter, my 13-year-old son, very suddenly and unexpectedly to undiagnosed type 1 diabetes. In the last 10 years, we've done all sorts of charity events and we've raised over £120,000. And the most important thing is that we've saved 15 lives to date of people who've recognised the signs and gone to their GP and insisted on being tested. And their child then is type 1, but because of a prompt diagnosis, they can get help straight away.
Beth has absolutely tirelessly campaigned to raise funds for Diabetes UK, for Diabetes UK Cymru, to enable us to be able to do a whole range of different work to raise awareness about the signs of diabetes, which we call the 4Ts. We often have people coming to us to say that they've gone to their GP because they've seen part of our campaign and that could not and would not have happened without Beth.
I channel my grief for good, and being part of a volunteering community, I need to make sure that I'm helping others, and I just want to make sure that I do my bit, even when tragedy hits and life throws you the biggest challenges, that you still have to get up and do what you can to make it count.